Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you a cozy cake with jam recipe. This cake is tender and tastes amazing. The recipe comes together in the blink of an eye, only requiring minimal effort from your end. It's great to serve as an afternoon snack or dessert. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you'll find many interesting recipes. So, start by preheating the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, pinch of salt, and orange zest from 1 orange. Set it aside. In another mixing bowl, combine 3 eggs room temperature and half cup of sugar. Beat them together on high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes or until thick and whipped. Incorporate 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of sour cream using a rubber spatula. Then gradually add the flour mixture just until combined. I used an 8-inch cake pan, greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Transfer all of the butter into a cake pan. At the end, spread 3 tablespoons of jam. You can use any jam of your choice. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until toothache comes out lean from the center. Once the cake is baked, let it rest in the pan for about 15 minutes, then transfer it over to a rag to finish cooling. After the cake has cooled, dust it with powdered sugar. Feel free to use your favorite frosting and decoration the cake as you like. And the cake is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.